Welcome! Today I'm going to show you how to add pages, subpages, and links on Google Sites in 2025. Whether you're building a personal site, a portfolio, or a project hub, this step-by-step guide will make your site organized and professional in no time. First, open your Google site on a computer. Once your site is ready, look at the right-hand sidebar and click the Pages icon. This is where all your pages live and where you can manage the structure of your site. To add a new page, hover over the plus sign at the bottom of the panel. Click New Page, give it a name, and hit Done. That's it. Your new page is now part of your site. If you want to create a subpage under an existing page, simply drag the new page under the main page. You'll notice it slightly indents, showing it's nested. This is perfect for organizing sections like About with subpages like Team or History. Adding links is just as simple. You can link pages, external websites, or specific sections within your site. Just select text or a button, click the link icon, and choose the destination. This keeps your visitors navigating your site effortlessly. And there you have it. Pages, subpages, and links all set up in Google Sites. With this structure, your site is easy to explore and looks professional. Thanks for watching. And now you're ready to create a clean, organized, and fully navigable Google site in 2025.